Welcome to another Kevin's English School's English learning video. Here are some common mistakes by Japanese speakers of English. My mother is just a housewife. My mother is a housewife is better. I go to shopping, I went shopping is correct. Where from? Where are you from is correct. I study on Tokai University. I study at Tokai University is correct. Do you know Hadano? Have you heard of Hadano is correct. Do you have arubaito? Do you have a part-time job is correct. I like Hakone because it is beautiful. And it has hot springs. I think this is better. I like Hakone because it is beautiful and it has hot springs. Or I like Hakone because it is beautiful. Also, it has hot springs. I like sports, especially ice hockey, because I moved to Hokkaido. I think this is better. I like sports, especially ice hockey. So I moved to Hokkaido. Check out the book, An AZ of Common English Errors for Japanese Learners. Here are some more mistakes that Japanese make. Can you correct these mistakes yourself? I like dog. My like food is, I very like. I play ski. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you for watching.